Okay, time's up. Now you have 2 minutes to talk. Don't worry if I stop you and your time start. Now, please.
Well, there is abundance of festivals in my country which are celebrated with full zeal and zest. But the festival about which I would like to talk, and which is one of my favorite festivals, is the festival of Basant. This festival welcomes the spring season, and it's celebrated in the month of February. Everyone is on cloud nine during this festival because kites are flown in the sky, and sky looks so beautiful with the eye catchy colors of kites. Moreover, people also conduct competitions regarding flying kites uh, because they because are they are on cloud nine during this event, and they conduct competition, and who wins this competition, they is also rewarded prizes at the end of the day. Furthermore, this festival is also a source of get to get gathering, and especially for those persons who have not been met with another for a long time. So if this festival hasn't conducted in my country, no one would have been able to be able to get gathering on one place. So far as my opinion is concerned pertaining to this festival, I would love to say that this has always been a mesmerizing experience for me to attend this festival, because it is considered a, a very precious moment when everyone is on full swings and everyone is enjoying this festival a lot. So if these types of festival are not conducted in our country, no one would be able to have get to rub shoulder with others, and especially on events like this.
Good, good. Thank you so much. That is the end of your speaking part.